Okay, this was the piece that it had been previously started. It had some layers on it before I started this video, and then I did the transfer with the tissue paper from the painting I just finished, and did a pressing of that tissue paper to achieve some of this patterning, which really gives it a great texture from the beginning. So now I just want to use this piece and do a few enhancements, strengthen the color, and see where this piece goes, and using the same palette that I was using on the other piece. Remembering, every time you touch a piece, it totally changes it, and things start going in a different direction. A great thing to do is to document your work as you are painting, and it's hard to remember to do because we get in a zone of painting and we don't like to stop. But stop periodically and snap a photo with your phone, and that way you have a way to remember how the piece looked in progression, and that can be very beneficial. I like this soft blend of these colors into the blues and the greens. But in moving that color around, I would definitely come back up here and add a touch of this blue, because the blue and the orange play so beautifully together. They complement each other. It blends almost into a gorgeous soft green. You can scrape back through with the edge of your squeegee to lift to what's under. This is a wonderful gradation of the warm white mixed and coming into the titanium white, which gives you a wonderful bright crisp area in your paintings. You can also use stencils, and I don't ever like to use a whole stencil, but only maybe bits and pieces of a stencil. Several ways that you can do that. You can brayer over this with a soft brayer, or you can actually pull the paint through with your scraper, squeegee. So that you just get a little bit of a textural design. And I would probably want to repeat that just a little bit somewhere else. And then blend. You have to let that dry just a bit because it's really standing up from the board. But I'm really liking the way this one is starting to take shape. So I'm going to take a little break on this one and come back to it in just a little while, maybe tomorrow, and we will continue on this piece. Thanks for joining me, everyone, and please hit that subscribe button. See you tomorrow.